In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall and reinstall Google Chrome on your computer. Whether you're facing performance issues, suspect you might have a corrupted file, or perhaps just want to start fresh, uninstalling and reinstalling Chrome can often resolve these common issues. Let's walk through the steps together. First, ensure all your important information is backed up. This includes bookmarks, saved passwords, and any other data you wouldn't want to lose. You can do this easily by syncing your account with your Google account. Head over to the settings in your existing Chrome browser, select You and Google, and then navigate to Sync and Google Services. Make sure that syncing is turned on, so all your data will be available when you reinstall Chrome. Now, let's proceed to uninstall Chrome. On a Windows computer, you'll start by going to the Control Panel. To find this, you can usually click on the Start menu or search in the taskbar. Once in the Control Panel, select Programs and then Programs and Features. Here, you'll see a list of all the programs currently installed on your computer. Scroll down until you find Google Chrome, select it, and then click Uninstall. You might be prompted to confirm your decision, and if so, go ahead and confirm. If you're using a Mac, the process is slightly different. Open Finder, go to the Applications folder, find Google Chrome, and then drag it to your trash bin. After doing that, don't forget to right-click on the trash bin and select Empty Trash to ensure everything is entirely removed from your system. We've successfully uninstalled Google Chrome. The next step is to reinstall it. Open your preferred web browser. It could be Safari, Microsoft Edge, or another, and go to the Google Chrome website. Look for the Download button and click it to get the installer. Once the file is downloaded, open it. Windows users will see a setup wizard. Just follow the prompts, and soon you'll have Chrome ready to go. Mac users can simply drag the Google Chrome icon to the Applications folder. With Google Chrome reinstalled, it's time to set it up again to suit your needs. Open Chrome and sign into your Google account. If you synced your data earlier, all your bookmarks, passwords, and settings will automatically repopulate, so you don't have to start from scratch. And there you have it, a freshly installed Google Chrome browser that's ready for use. Thank you for joining me today. By walking through these steps, you've hopefully learned not only how to handle Chrome, but also picked up some valuable skills for managing your software in general. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more useful tutorials. Have a great day.